Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Lucky Man on guitar. We'll start by getting your instrument ready in standard tuning. Then, we'll dive into the three essential open chords, G major, D major, and a suspended 2. Focus on forming these shapes clearly and practicing smooth transitions between them. This foundation is crucial for mastering the song. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is key to the song's feel. Aim for a consistent 60-note rhythm, keeping your strumming hand moving constantly. This creates a smooth, flowing sound. Try practicing the basic pattern on just one chord, like G major, until it feels natural. This will build your rhythmic confidence before adding chord changes. Now, let's look at the song's structure and chord progressions. The intro and verses mostly use a repeating sequence of G major, D major, and a suspended 2. For the pre-chorus, you'll add E minor before returning to G, D, and a suspended 2. The main chorus section then cycles through G, D, and a suspended 2 again. To add more authenticity, try incorporating the D suspended 2 chord by simply lifting your middle finger from the D major shape. Remember to practice slowly with a metronome. This will greatly improve your timing and accuracy. Finally, listen closely to the original recording to truly capture the song's dynamic nuances and overall feel. Consistent practice is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.